So hello guys, welcome to the lecture 2 of relative motion. In this lecture we are going to study about the Riemann problems. First of all we will know the basic concepts, and then after we will try to solve some questions so that it could be easy for you to understand the concept and solve it accordingly. So let's start. So the first concept, and which is the base of this relative motion, is that you all know that velocity of A with respect to B is VA minus VB. It can be further written as VA vector plus minus of VB vector. Okay, now it can be stimulated in the form of rain and man as velocity of rain with respect to man is velocity of rain minus velocity of man. So we can further write it as velocity of rain plus minus of velocity of man. Okay, so this basic concept is only involved in solving all kinds of Riemann problem, and trust me, it will be solved very easily and you no need to worry about it. So let's take some easy questions, and then after we will move to hard to understand this concept better. Now let's take the first question. Here we have that a rain is falling in vertically downward direction with a velocity of 20 meter per second, and a man is walking with speed 10 meter per second along horizontal. So at what angle with the vertical man should hold his umbrella to protect himself from rain? So first of all, see what concept we have to use here. We have to use that velocity of rain with respect to man is velocity of rain plus minus of velocity of man. So you will have to apply negative of velocity of man to the direction of velocity of rain. Okay, so in this question you can see here that rain is falling vertically downward with an speed of 20 meter per second. So we know that VR is vertically downward with an velocity of 20 meter per second, and let's say that a man is walking with speed of 10 meter per second. Okay, now since we will have to apply the opposite of Vm, okay, so it can be applied opposite in the direction that the man is walking, so it will be velocity of man, that is 10 meter per second. Now what we have to find, actually we have to find that at what angle with the vertical man should hold his umbrella to protect himself from rain. So basically we have to find that what is the velocity of rain with respect to man, what is the angle of that. So we have to find this angle, velocity of rain with respect to man, and the man will hold umbrella at this direction. Okay, so now we know that this tan theta will be equal to Vm upon Vr, that is equal to 10 upon 20, that is equal to 1 by 2. So from here we get theta equals to tan inverse 1 by 2. So it is the angle at which the man should hold his umbrella to protect himself from rain. Now let's see the second question. So here we have one more question. Here in this question, the boy starts from rest with a constant acceleration of 5 meter per second square. Rain is falling vertically downward with a speed of 20 meter per second. So after what time it appears to the boy that rain is falling on the incline perpendicularly? Okay, so what are the things that we know from this question? First of all, we know the acceleration, which is constant, that is 5 meter per second square, and we know that rain is falling vertically downward with a speed of 20 meter per second. So velocity of rain is vertically downward with 20 meter per second. Okay, and the boy is walking on a inclined plane. This inclined plane is 30 degree, which is mentioned in the question, and the boy is start from rest with a constant acceleration of 5 meter per second square. So you have to find that after what time it appears to the boy that rain is falling on the incline perpendicularly. Okay, so we know the final result, that velocity of rain with respect to man should fall at 90 degree with this incline. This is velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay, so first of all you should know that you have to find the vector triangle here, and you will have to use velocity of rain with respect to man is velocity of rain plus minus of velocity of man. So you know that velocity of rain is towards downward, that is 20 meter per second. Okay, it's the wedge say at 30 degree. Okay, and the boy is running on the wedge, so you have to apply it as a negative. So since the boy is running towards this, so you will have to apply here Vm. Okay, and hence this triangle is formed. This is at 90 degree. Okay, velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay, so this is 30, so it will be 60 degree. Now you can use cos 60 degree, Vm upon Vr. From here you can find Vm, that is 20 cos 60, which comes out to be 10. Okay, now the thing is that you have to find that after what time it appears to the boy that rain is falling on the incline perpendicularly. So for that you have to use V equals to U plus AT. Okay, we know that the boy is starting from rest, so U is 0. Acceleration is 5 meter per second square, so V equals to U plus AT, and V is this 10. We have just find out the value of V, that is 10. U is 0, and A and T. So acceleration is 5 and T is T. So the answer is 2 seconds. So I hope that you got it. So we have to do nothing much in this type of question. The only thing that you have to get is that you know the VR, which is falling downward, and you know the velocity, you know the direction of velocity of man, and you know the velocity of rain with respect to man. So only thing that you have to do is to form a vector triangle, and hence you can use trigonometry to find out the angle, and hence with the help of equation you can find the time required. So I think you hope you got this, and let's see the next question. So let's see the next question. Here you have one car which is moving ahead, and the velocity of rain is given out to be 10 meter, which is falling downward. And if the driver observes that rain is falling normally on the windshield, you have to find out the velocity of car. So what actually you have to do here? See, again you have to find out the vector triangle. In place of man, here we have a car, but no need to worry, the formula and the process is quite same. So see, the velocity of rain with respect to man is velocity of rain plus minus of V man. Okay, velocity of rain with respect to car here, which is used, velocity of rain plus minus of velocity of car. See, since we know that the windshield here is at an angle of 30 degree and the rain is falling normally on the windshield, so this is the velocity of rain with respect to car. Okay, and you know that VR is falling downward, VR is 10. Okay, and velocity of rain with respect to car is falling normally on the windshield. Before that, we know that V car is like this, so you will have to apply it negative of VC as you have seen in the formula. So this is minus of V car. Okay, and you know that the velocity of rain with respect to car is falling. Suppose this is the windshield at an angle of 30 degree, so it is falling at 90 degree angle on this windshield. Velocity of rain with respect to car, so if it is 30, it comes out to be 60 degree, and this is 30 degree. So what we have to find actually here is we have to find the velocity of car. So it can be found out with the help of tan 30 equals to VR upon VC. Okay, we know the value of VR, that is 10, so VC can be found out, 10√3 answer. So these are the basic concept and some questions which can be helpful to you in tackling the Rain Man. So please like, subscribe and share. Next lecture I will upload soon.